How to create new files in File Manager. This demo assumes you've already logged in to Plesk's File Manager. Now let's learn how to create new files. Navigate to the folder where you want to create a new file. Then click New. Click Create New File. Give the new file a name and include the appropriate extension. If this is to be an HTML file, click to use the HTML template, which will create a blank HTML page. Click OK. That's it. The new file has been created. Let's have a look at the new file. Click Edit in Text Editor. As you can see, the HTML tags have been put in place. We just have to add the code for our web page. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create new files in File Manager.